Here are some basics about how to use the text box on your web page. First, you go to your web page and you check it out in the top left corner. When you check out your page, you'll have several tools across the top. The last one is the text tool. To put text on your page, you grab the text tool and you drag it down onto your page. This puts a text box on your page. When you click on the text box, the outline is red. That outline means that you can move the text box around on your page. It also means that you can change the shape of it or the size of it. If you're planning on typing a lot of text into the text box, you probably should make it fairly large to begin with so you can see all of the text that you're going to put in it. To put text in the box, you'll want to right-click on it and go to Modify Content. Now the outline of the box is green, which means you can work inside the text box. The first thing you'll need to do is remove the text that's already in the box, and then you have basically the same options you had before with the old website. The only difference here really is that you have more choices as far as the size of the font. So you would just type text in, choose your font style, choose the size of your font, choose the color you want it to be, choose whether you want it to be left aligned, right aligned, centered, or justified. But basically they're the same tools we had before. You can use just one large text box to put your homework in each day, if this is the way you would prefer to do it. And then after you've finished typing the text you want, you click Save in the top left corner. If you want to resize or move the text box, it has to be saved. You have to get out of the editing mode and go back into the selection mode where it's outlined in red. And now you have the ability again to change the size of your text box or move it around on the page. You can put as many text boxes on your page as you want. You can layer text on top of other text. You can also put it beneath other text. The way that you would do that is when you right-click, you have the choice of moving it forward or moving it backward. In most cases, you'll probably want to be putting text on top of or behind another object or an image that you have on your page. But you can move text really close to a form or a calendar or an image by moving it forward and putting it on top of things. So those are the basics about how to use a text box. When you've finished with your text box, you'll need to click Save and Publish so that the information will show up to the public.